Hello! Unmolding tayo ng aking sabon. This is Glotta and Collagen. Look at this! Ang ganda niya, di ba? So anyway, isa na yan. And this one, ito maganda ang mold. Kaya lang expensive ito kanyang mold. Kaya I have only 8. But I like this mold. Look at this! So, I will unmold the rest. Para sa akin, mahirap gawin ang melt and pour kasi masyadong matagal siya gawin. Ang cold process para sa akin mabilis as long as na-measure na lahat ang mga ingredients. Ang melt and pour, ang binibili ko na base oil is yung Vilona. Ang 25 pounds niya is like $107. So I buy the shea butter base at saka also yung goat base, which 25 pounds each is equivalent to 107 I think or 110, something like that. So ito siya is shea butter base na Vilona ang brand, is premium. Para sa akin matrabaho siya kasi yung 25 pounds, I have to slice that and it will take me how many hours kasi islice ko siya ng maliliit talaga. At saka of course i-measure ko per cooking ko siya. Tapos yung heat ko is, ang ginagamit ko is induction stove. Tapos stainless yung aking nilulutuan. Pag mini-melt mo ito siya, dapat low fire lang talaga. Huwag mo siyang i-boil. Very, very low fire. Ngayon, kung na-melt mo siya, i-stir mo siya na mabuti. Tapos takpan mo siya. Kasi kung hindi mo siya takpan, yung taas ng solution mo, mag-solidify na yan. So, pag nag-solidify na yan, ang solusyon mo, mahirapan ka na mag-pour. At saka, itong aking sabon na ito, mayroong Glotta ito at saka collagen. So, dapat, ang temperature talaga is below 135 degrees. So, hintayin ko talaga siya na mag-cool down. At saka alam ninyo, pag nag-cool down itong solution, may possibility siya na mag-solid na siya. So, hindi mo na siya ma-pour. So, kailangan talaga ng perfect timing itong paggawa ng melt and pour. Or else, masayang lang talaga ang solusyon mo. So, it takes time. Kaya, madali lang isipin na madali lang ito gawin. Pero actually, hindi siya madaling gawin. Dito, makita ninyo na nag-melt na itong aking solution. And it's already in a 135 below temperature. So ito na, nilagay ko na ang glutathione ko at saka ang collagen. Tapos yan, i-stir ko na mabuti. Ito siya is turmeric with licorice with Glotta and collagen. Kaya pabilisan talaga pag melt and pour. Kung hindi, magbuo-buo yan, mahirapan ka na talaga. Kaya para sa akin, ang melt and pour talaga, you need patience. Especially using Glotta and collagen. Kasi dapat ilagay mo sila at temperature of 135 and below. I know may mga scientists na mag-comment naman sa aking video about collagen that they're going to say that collagen cannot penetrate our skin. And I totally understand that because before I made the soap using collagen, I read a lot about collagen. Some people just want to make comments because they wanted to show to the world that they're better than other people. But anyway, I'm not making soap for scientific reason. Ang sabon is a wash-off agent. And adding collagen in soap, it enhances the feel of the lather during the use of the soap. Anyway, available na ito ngayon sa aking mercyvine.com website. Kasi ubos na ito siya. Ito ang naunang naubos ko ng mga sabon. Thank you for watching. Bye!